Today we will talk about how to recognize calcium deficiency, also known as hypocalcemia, in children. First, let's understand what hypocalcemia is. We all know that calcium is very important for our body. Hypocalcemia is a condition where the amount of calcium in the body becomes very low. Calcium not only makes our bones and teeth strong, but it also helps our nerves, muscles, and heart function properly. If a child's body does not have enough calcium, they can become seriously unwell. If this problem is not treated in time, the child may develop bone and nerve-related issues in the future. Now let's understand why calcium deficiency happens in children. There are several reasons why a child may have low calcium levels. If a child is not getting proper nutrition, their calcium levels may drop. Giving babies milk powder-based formula or very diluted milk at home can reduce calcium levels. Also, giving cow's milk, goat's milk, or any other animal's milk to a baby under 1 year of age can cause calcium deficiency. The best milk for babies is mother's milk, followed by commercially available baby formula, as these contain the right amount of calcium and other essential nutrients. The body needs vitamin D to absorb calcium properly. Baby formula already contains vitamin D, but babies who are only breastfed may need additional vitamin D supplements as per the doctor's advice. Our body has certain hormones called parathyroid and calcitonin which control calcium levels. If the body produces less of these hormones, calcium levels may also decrease. Some newborns may develop a condition called neonatal hypocalcemia, which causes low calcium levels. Premature babies, babies with low birth weight, or babies whose mothers have diabetes are at a higher risk of developing hypocalcemia. Now let's look at the symptoms of calcium deficiency in children. If a child has low calcium levels, they may be very irritable or fussy, vomit after drinking milk or refuse to drink milk properly, seem weak or tired, appear slow and unusually quiet, experience trembling or shaking in their hands and feet, in severe cases have seizures. Some children with long-term calcium deficiency may also develop a condition called rickets, where their bones become weak and soft. So what can we do to prevent calcium deficiency in children? Although it may not always be possible to completely prevent calcium deficiency, we can take some important steps. Give babies either mother milk or properly prepared baby formula. Do not give cow's milk, goat's milk, or any other animal milk to babies under 1 year old. If a baby is only being breastfed, consult a doctor about giving vitamin D supplements. If your child appears weak, is not drinking milk properly, cries a lot, or has seizures, do not delay. Consult a doctor immediately. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to MedWiki.